Are you ready to invite divine abundance into your lives and your businesses? Welcome to this transformative experience, a journey into the realm of manifesting miracles and inviting divine abundance. As we begin, I encourage you to find a quiet, comfortable space where you can immerse yourself in this guided meditation. This is a journey that requires your full presence and openness. So let go of any distractions or tension you might be holding onto from your day. Surrender control and trust in the divine guidance that is about to unfold. Remember, as Christian business owners, we are grounded in our faith. Our success is not solely a product of our efforts, but a manifestation of the divine grace that guides us. By aligning our intentions with God's plan, we open ourselves to a world of unlimited possibilities. Imagine your business thriving and flourishing, becoming a beacon of light within your community. Feel the satisfaction that comes from providing value to others, from making a positive impact through your work. Even when faced with challenges and setbacks, remember that God's grace is abundant. His favor and blessings overflow into every aspect of our business. See yourself standing in front of a vast ocean, a symbol of the abundance that God has in store for you. Feel the waves of prosperity washing over you, cleansing you of any doubts or fears. The divine energy of miracles is within you, empowering you to achieve greatness. Close your eyes and imagine a bright light surrounding you, a gentle glow of divine love and protection. This light represents the divine abundance that is available to you. It is a reminder that you are not alone in your journey. You are supported and guided every step of the way. So let's embark on this journey together, a journey of inviting divine abundance into our lives and our businesses. Let's open ourselves to God's grace and watch as miracles unfold in our lives. Close your eyes and imagine a bright light surrounding you, a gentle glow of divine love and protection. As Christian business owners, we know that our success is rooted in our faith. It's not just about turning a profit or outdoing the competition. Our businesses are extensions of our faith, vehicles through which we can fulfill God's purpose. When we align our intentions with God's plan, we create a harmonious balance that invites success in its purest form. It's like tuning an instrument. When each string is in harmony with the others, the result is a beautiful symphony of sound. When our intentions and God's plan align, our businesses become that symphony, playing a tune of prosperity, impact, and fulfillment. Picture your business not just surviving, but thriving. Visualize it growing, expanding, and becoming a beacon of light in your community. See it as a place where people can find solutions, experience kindness, and witness the power of faith in action. Your business is not just about you. It's about the lives you touch, the jobs you create, the problems you solve. It's about making the world a little bit better, one customer at a time. And when your intentions align with this higher purpose, miracles start to happen. Challenges will come, yes. Setbacks might slow you down, but remember, these are not roadblocks, but stepping stones. With God's grace, every challenge is an opportunity for growth, every setback a setup for a comeback. And as you navigate these challenges, remember this: God's favor is not a trickle, it's a torrent. His blessings are not a puddle, they're an ocean. And when you align your business with His plan, these blessings overflow into every aspect of your business. You'll see it in the growth of your business, in the satisfaction of your customers, in the unity of your team. You'll see it in the peace that comes from knowing you're doing God's work, even in the world of business. So embrace this alignment. Let it guide your decisions, fuel your passion, and inspire your team. For when we align our intentions with God's plan, we open the door to divine abundance. His favor and blessings overflow into every aspect of our business. Imagine yourself standing in front of a vast ocean, representing the abundance that God has in store for you. This ocean is not just a body of water, but a symbol of God's boundless love and infinite blessings. It's vast, it's deep, it's ever-present, just like God's grace. See the waves gently lapping at your feet. These waves are not just water, but waves of prosperity. They are refreshing, they are invigorating, they are cleansing. They wash over your feet, your legs, your body, washing away any doubts or fears that may have crept into your mind. They cleanse you of any negativity, any worry, any stress. They leave you feeling rejuvenated, recharged, and ready to embrace the abundance that God has in store for you. Now, let's take a moment to discuss the divine energy of miracles. Miracles, as we know, are not just extraordinary events. They are manifestations of God's love, God's power, and God's grace. They are signs that God is with us, that He is working in our lives, and that He is guiding us towards our destiny. And this divine energy of miracles is not just around us, it's within us, it's in our hearts, it's in our minds, it's in our souls. It's in the way we think, the way we speak, the way we act. It's in the decisions we make, the actions we take, the relationships we build. So let's embrace this divine energy. Let's welcome it into our lives. Let's allow it to fill us, to empower us, to guide us. Let's allow it to inspire us, to motivate us, to push us towards greatness. Because with this divine energy, we can do more than just dream. We can achieve, we can succeed, we can make a difference. The divine energy of miracles fills your being, empowering you to achieve greatness. So let's not just stand in front of this vast ocean. Let's dive in. Let's swim in the abundance that God has in store for us. Let's embrace the blessings, the miracles, the love, and the grace that God is so generously offering us. Because with God, nothing is impossible. See yourself surrounded by a team of dedicated and passionate individuals, all working in harmony towards a common purpose. Imagine the faces, the laughter, the shared moments of triumph. Feel the energy of a team united by a shared vision. A team that you, as a leader, have brought together. They look to you for guidance, for inspiration, and for strength. Now envision yourself leading this team, but not just leading in the traditional sense. Instead, visualize yourself leading with integrity and compassion. Your actions are rooted in honesty, in fairness. You treat each member of your team with kindness and understanding, recognizing their unique strengths and contributions. Picture yourself making decisions. These decisions are not made on a whim, but are guided by your faith and wisdom. You seek divine guidance in your choices, trusting that each step you take is part of a larger plan. You are not afraid to make tough decisions, for you know that your actions are guided by a higher purpose. Visualize the impact of your leadership. See the ripple effect as your team members start to emulate your integrity and compassion. Notice how this creates a positive and supportive work environment, an environment where everyone feels valued, where everyone is motivated to do their best. Now, feel the sense of fulfillment that comes from leading with integrity and compassion. The satisfaction of knowing that you are not just running a business, but are also making a positive impact on the lives of your team members. Take a moment to appreciate this vision. This is not just a dream, but a glimpse into the leader you can become. A leader who not only guides their team towards success, but also cultivates a culture of respect and compassion. And as you lead in this way, you also inspire others to do the same. Your leadership becomes a beacon, lighting the way for others to follow. Feel the divine alignment between your business and your higher purpose. You are not just a business owner. You are a leader, a mentor, a beacon of integrity and compassion, and in this role you are fulfilling your divine purpose. Now, repeat after me, I am open to receiving divine abundance in my business. Let this affirmation resonate within you. Feel the power of these words and believe in their truth. You are not just open, but eager and ready to embrace the divine abundance that is your divine right. Let's move on to our next affirmation. Repeat, I trust in God's plan for my success. Remember, your journey is unique, and it's guided by a divine plan. Each step, each decision, each challenge is part of this plan, leading you closer to your destined success. Now affirm, I am guided by faith and overcome any obstacles with grace. In the face of adversity, your faith is your beacon, guiding you through the storm. You are not just overcoming obstacles, you are gracefully navigating through them, emerging stronger and wiser on the other side. Let's continue with, I am a vessel for God's miracles. You are a conduit for divine miracles. Your business is a platform for these miracles to manifest and impact lives. You are not just witnessing miracles, you are the instrument through which they are brought to life. Finally, let's affirm, I manifest miracles in my business every day. As you say these words, visualize the miracles unfolding in your business. See the smiles on the faces of your team, the satisfaction of your customers, the growth of your enterprise. Every day is a new opportunity for miracles to manifest, for God's blessings to flow into your business. Remember, affirmations are not just words, they are powerful statements of intent. They shape your thoughts, your actions, your reality. When spoken with belief and conviction, they can transform your life and your business in unimaginable ways. So, let's affirm once more, I am open to receiving divine abundance in my business. I trust in God's plan for my success. I am guided by faith and overcome any obstacles with grace. I am a vessel for God's miracles. I manifest miracles in my business every day. Take a few moments to bask in the energy of manifestation and gratitude. As we immerse ourselves in this divine energy, let's visualize the miracles unfolding in our businesses. See the breakthroughs, the moments of unexpected success, the instances of divine intervention that catapult your business to new heights. Each miracle is a testament to God's boundless love and provision. Every success, every achievement, every growth spurt in your business is a miracle manifesting right before your eyes. These are not mere coincidences or strokes of luck, but divine orchestrations designed to propel you forward on your path. Now let's fill our hearts with gratitude. Gratitude for the blessings already present in our lives and those yet to come. Feel the warmth of appreciation radiating from your heart, enveloping your entire being. Gratitude is a powerful force, a magnetic energy that draws more blessings into our lives. As we express gratitude, we acknowledge God's hand in our successes. We recognize His divine providence, His infinite wisdom in guiding our business decisions. We thank Him for the miracles He has already manifested and for those that are on their way. Visualize your heart as a vessel, filled to the brim with gratitude. With every heartbeat, this gratitude expands, overflowing into every aspect of your life and business. See this gratitude touching every person you interact with, every project you undertake, every decision you make. This gratitude is not just for the big miracles, but also for the small ones. The unexpected phone call that leads to a new client, the sudden inspiration for a new product, the timely advice from a mentor. Each of these is a miracle, a blessing to be grateful for. As we close this scene, let's make a commitment to maintain this attitude of gratitude, to recognize and appreciate the miracles, big and small, that manifest in our businesses every day. Fill your heart with gratitude for the blessings already present and those yet to come. As you do so, you'll find that miracles become commonplace, a natural part of your business journey. And with each miracle, your faith, your hope, and your business will continue to grow. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. As we begin to close this guided meditation, gently start to ground yourself back to the here and now. Let go of the visions and affirmations, but carry their essence with you. Feel the surface beneath you, anchoring you to the present. Notice the rhythm of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, the air entering and leaving your lungs. As you become more aware of your physical surroundings, remember to hold on to the sense of divine abundance you've cultivated. Now, visualize this divine abundance as a golden light within you. See it radiate from you, touching every corner of your business, every aspect of your life. This is the light of God's blessings, His love and favor, that you carry with you every day. Let this light be your guide, leading you towards success and prosperity. Let it be a reminder of God's plan for you. A plan filled with abundance and miracles. Remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth, a chance to lean into your faith and draw strength from it. Feel the power of this divine light within you, empowering you to overcome any obstacle, to manifest miracles in your business every day. As you open your eyes, see this light reflected in the world around you, in the faces of your team, in the success of your business. As you return to the hustle and bustle of your day, don't let the noise drown out this divine light. Keep it burning bright. Let it guide your decisions, drive your actions, and shape your future. Carry this sense of divine abundance with you, not just in your business, but in every aspect of your life. And as you step back into the world, remember this: you are not alone. You are guided by a divine force, a force that wants nothing but success and abundance for you. You are part of a larger plan, a divine plan that is constantly unfolding, constantly leading you towards greatness. Remember, as Christian business owners, we are vessels for God's miracles. Trust in His plan, embrace His abundance, and watch as your business transforms in unimaginable ways. Thank you for joining us today. It's a joy to share this journey with you, to invite divine abundance and manifest miracles in your business. Each breath, each visualization, and each affirmation, they all contribute to the blossoming of your business under God's grace. We believe that these moments of meditation are not just fleeting, but they ripple out, impacting your life and your business in profound ways. And as you continue to align your intentions with God's plan, you become a vessel for His blessings, a beacon of light in your community. We invite you to continue this journey with us. Subscribe to our channel for more spiritual insights and empowering techniques. Join our community of faith-driven business owners, manifesting miracles and inviting divine abundance every day. And remember, as you navigate the challenges and victories, you are not alone. You are guided by a divine hand. May divine abundance flow abundantly in your business and your life.